Imagine that when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you notice is that your bank balance went up while you were sleeping last night. Sounds great, doesn't it? This is easy to do, and many people have already done it. Passive income is when you can make money while you sleep. It's a type of business where you have to put in some work at the start, but it pays off in the long run and takes less time to maintain. Today we are going to talk about the 15 ways to make money that will get you a long way toward your financial goals. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. 15. Rent your car. If your car is just sitting there, you might want to rent it out and make some money. You can get help from different car rental shops to find someone to rent out your car. Or, there are mobile apps that can help with this. 14. Start a high-interest savings account. Most of the time, a high-yield savings account gives you a better return on your money than a regular savings account or checking account. With high-yield savings, you don't take any risks, but you can grow your money every day and earn a good interest income. 13. Sell on Amazon FBA. Fulfillment by Amazon is a service that lets you store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon will then pick, pack, ship, and help customers with these products. You can make your own white label products for a very low cost on sites like Alibaba, and then store them in Amazon FBA. To get people interested in the product, it's important to run an advertising campaign. You don't have to worry about shipping and packing your products because Amazon will take care of that for you through FBA. 12. Put out a phone app. More than 3 million apps are available in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Mobile app publishers usually make more than $10,000 a month from these apps without doing anything. With mobile apps, there are two ways to make money. You can put ads on your app, and you can also let people buy things inside the app. People will use your mobile app all over the world, even when you're asleep, putting thousands of dollars in your bank account. 11. Start a course online. People are becoming more likely to learn from online courses instead of going to classes in person. You can make a course based on what you know, what you can do, or what you've done. You can contact online course providers like Udemy, Pluralsight, Coursera, and Udacity if you want to put your course on one of their websites. You will have to put in some work to get the course out there, but then you can sit back and enjoy the passive income. You'll get money from customers who sign up for your courses whether you're awake or asleep. 10. Dropshipping. With the rise of e-commerce businesses, the way stores do business is changing. Dropshipping is a way to sell things online where the manufacturer sends the product directly to the customer instead of the retailer. The retailer acts as a middleman between the buyer and the manufacturer. They sell the goods to the buyer and place the order with the manufacturer on the buyer's behalf. The store can have no inventory costs and still make a profit. 9. Start YouTube channel. Streaming sites like YouTube can help you grow your audience. Using these platforms, you can show off your skills and knowledge about things like technology, personal development, beauty, education, personal finances, etc. You can make a good passive income from your content by putting up display ads, endorsing products, and getting people to visit your website. People will watch your videos, and even while you're sleeping, you'll make money. 8. Start a blog website. If you like to write, blogging is the best way for you to make money while you sleep. The best thing about it is that you can turn it into a profitable way to make thousands of dollars a month, whether you are sleeping or working. The best part is that you can blog in your spare time, and it's also one of the easier small businesses to start. 7. Sell your stock photographs/videos online. Photography is a skill that many of us have. Most of us take pictures every day with our smartphone cameras or with DSLR cameras. All you need is a good camera and some accessories to upload your stock photos and videos for others to buy. You can sell your stock photos and videos on websites like Shutterstock, iStockPhoto, Alamy, Dreamstime, and Getty Image. 6. Facebook/Instagram influencer. This is one of the best ways to make money without doing much work. Influencers on Facebook and Instagram promote certain products based on how much trust they have with their followers. 10 years ago, celebrities were the only ones who could build an audience of influencers. We've seen a lot of new social media influencers rise to the top with a growing following. You can tell people who follow you about things like home appliances, food, restaurants, clothing, and beauty products. After you post them on Facebook or Instagram, you'll make a lot of money from commissions, even while you sleep. 5. Stock market invest. Investing in the NYSE, NASDAQ, or Amex is a good way to make money without doing much work. You can get money from both the value of your stock going up and the dividends it pays out. Companies usually pay dividends to their shareholders once a year or every 3 months. This is a passive way for the shareholders to earn money and watch their investments grow while they sleep. 4. Vending machine business. We've all used a vending machine at least once. Vending machines are usually found in parks, factories, train stations, and other busy places. To start this business, you have to pay for the vending machine and the items to put in it. This business has a surprising amount of potential for passive income, which can make you thousands of dollars while you sleep. 3. Book publishing. This is one of the best ways to start a business that makes money for you while you sleep. To get into this market, you need to be able to write creatively and know a bit about the subject. To write and publish a book, you need to spend some time and money. Another good business is publishing books online. Amazon, Kobo, IndieMosh, IngramSpark, and iBook are all places where you can publish books online. 2. Real estate investment. Real estate has always been a good way to make money, and it still is. This year, the real estate sales and AMP brokerage market in the US is worth $202.6 billion. This is a huge market that has room to grow. There are many ways to passively make money from real estate while you sleep. Rental income from residential property. Residential property is made just for people or families to live in. This could be a single house on a piece of land or an apartment in a big building. By 2026, the U.S. market for homes is expected to grow at a rate of 5.7%. One of the most expensive places to rent an apartment each month is in Los Angeles, USA, where the average price is $2,545. Home renovation flips. Property flippers are experts at buying a house, making changes or renovations to it quickly, and then selling it for a good profit. Flipping houses can be a good way to make money, but you need to know how to find houses to fix up. 1. Drop service. In simple terms, the drop service is the online business practice of selling a service to a customer for a certain price and then hiring someone else to do the service for the customer at a lower price. You won't do the service yourself, someone else will. This is a business idea that is similar to drop shipping, but it has less to do with actual products. Drop service is a way to sell customers services for a set price. Then you have to find someone who will do the service for the customer for less money. You'll like the extra money as earnings from drop service. Customers won't know that you hired someone else to do the work. You will be the link between your customer and the party doing the outsourcing. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.